Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your device supports widgets and digital well-being is installed. Once done, grant usage access inside settings so the widget can read app timers. Next, prepare your home screen by clearing an area and making sure your launcher allows widget placement. Some custom launchers restrict functionality. Now long press an empty home screen spot to open the widget picker. This is the first actionable move that gets you into widget selection immediately. After the picker opens, scroll to find the Digital Wellbeing Widget. Tap and hold it, then drag it onto your chosen home screen slot. Make sure to release when the grid highlights. Once placed, resize the widget by dragging its edges so it shows the information you want: screen time, app timers, or focus mode shortcut. Then tap the widget if prompted to link to the app and choose which dashboard or shortcut it should surface. This ensures the widget displays relevant controls. Finish by testing. Tap the widget to confirm it launches digital well-being and that metrics refresh over minutes. Adjust timers or focus directly from the widget to validate shortcuts. If the widget looks static, make sure background activity isn't restricted and that usage access remains granted. Troubleshooting. If the widget is absent or fails, update the Digital Wellbeing app, clear its cache, reboot the phone, and re-grant usage access. This fix resolves most permission or caching issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.